So already we have studied in the class 5th what is a pronoun. So most probably all will know. So now I will continue. You see on the screen. Pronouns. Okay. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. That is a main. You focus the main thing you have to see here. Used in the place of noun. This is a main point you have to pick up it. Pronoun means that come to your mind. First thing, the pronoun is used in the place of nouns. That is the first one you have to understand, basic understanding of nouns. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Pronouns agree with the nouns. They replace the number or gender. It replace the number or gender. So if you see here, one sentence if you, for example, I will tell. Ram went to market. So after next sentence you are writing again. Ramu Ramu went to the movie. So Ramu went to movie. This is the sentence you see. When you are writing the sentence, Ramu first the sentence first it is coming Ramu. So again next sentence also coming the Ramu. So this is not good. So that only we are using the pronoun. Noun related that same person name where it is coming, we have to use the pronoun. So this sentence we supposed to write like that. Ramu went to market and
He went to the movie.
and he you have to use. We have to pronoun he you have to use. He went to the movie. This one sentence you keep in your mind. Then other things you come to know that where you have to change what you want to do. So, Ram went to the market. Ram went to the market. He and Ram went to the movie. So these are two sentences you are bringing, and also you can use here, no problem. Ram went to market and Ram went to the movie. So this name will not repeat again and again. So that we are using the pronoun. Now Ram is a noun. So both place nouns are there. Now we are coming and changing here. Instead of the noun, we are using the replacing the noun, writing the pronoun. So this noun becoming a pronoun. Okay, this is a basic you have to understand. Then other things you may get easily. Are you clear about it? We'll go types
Yes,
of
sister.
pronouns. Okay, I hope that you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go next. Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. First one, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in the place of the names of people and things. Names of the people and things. This is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun definition. Personal pronouns are used in place of the name of people or things. Okay. Using the pronouns I, you, we, he, she, it. These are the main pronouns. Using I, you, we, he, she, it and they. In the place of noun and that type of pronouns that talk about people are called personal pronouns because they refers to persons even though the pronoun it is considered a personal pronoun. Now personal pronouns come in three types: subject, object and possessive pronoun. There are three types in the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun becoming three. See here. This is instead of board I am using the screen like a board only I try to take the class. So you go through it. So first is a subject, object and possessive pronouns. Okay. Now we come to the first one, subject pronoun. Subject. A subject pronoun is used in the place of a subject in a sentence. Now for example you see here, I saw Mohan yesterday. Here subject is the I. I saw Mohan yesterday. So, are you clear it? I saw Mohan yesterday. So, I becoming a subject. Okay, next one. You see some explanation. Here, which is the pronoun? Pronoun is I and it is a subject pronoun because I do the action and you can replace that with any other subject pronoun. You can say that we saw Mohan. We saw Mohan. So here main is the I. If you can change the subject anything. Okay. And object pronoun. Next is the object pronoun. Object pronoun is used in the object position in a sentence. Object we know if when you are writing the sentence. If you any sentence if you write, already you know. 6th A also know, 6th B also know. I have taken class for you. English language. So most probably all of you know how to the sentence forming. First is the subject. Second, you have subject, verb and object. This is a basic, you should not know how to form the sentence. Subject, verb, object. These three if is there, you can make the sentence. If these three, if you know clear what is a subject, what is a verb, what is the object, if you know clear, you can make your own sentence. So you all know very well, you are all know. Now you come to the object pronoun. Object pronoun is used in the object position in a sentence. Example, Mohan saw them yesterday. Here, them is an object pronoun. So here, Mohan is a subject. Mohan is a subject. Saw is a verb. Them is the object. So object pronoun here. Object I have given here to the Agra. Agra that you focus. Here pronoun them. This is a subject. Subject. Verb. Then object. So subject is the Mohan. Subject, verb. Okay. What some sound is coming? Okay. Next is the object. Them is object. So this clear about it. Okay. Morgan subject, saw verb, them is the object. Okay. Next we'll go. Next examples. Possessive pronoun. All are alert.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Many are didn't attend the class. All are preparing exam or what? Okay. Now, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun already you know. When possessive pronoun comes, the things will be belong to someone. Possessive pronoun shows a position, that means they show that you have something. That show that you have something. This is our car. What is a pronoun here? Our is a pronoun. Our car. The pronoun our shows that this car belongs to me and my family. Belongs to me and my family. This is very important. Possessive pronoun. Belongingness you have to show. Our car, our table, our chair, like that, that belongs to me and my family. So next you see here, person speaking. This you have to know in the possessive pronoun. So already I have taken the class this. Do you remember? First person singular plural, second person singular plural, third person singular plural. This three is very important when we are using the pronoun. Now, for some examples I have given here. Person speaking first person. This is a first person. Singular, I, my, me. Plural, we, ours, our, us. Then second is this is a first person, singular and plural. Second person, singular and plural. So, plural, singular and plural, second person, you, yours, your. You, your, yours. These three only, second person. Then third person, singular and plural you see here. Third person singular, he, his, him. She, her, then it, its. Okay. Then plural, they, their, them. Okay. These three you must have to know. If you have pen, then note it these three. These three you note it. Today we have seen the introduction about the pronoun. Second is of pronoun. First one, personal pronoun we started. Personal pronoun we have seen the three person, how they are communicating. First person, second person, third person. First person, what are the pronoun we are using? Second person, pronoun what are we are using? Third person. These three are basic pronouns. Where which person is there, according to that we have to give the pronoun letters. Okay, now we come to the second one, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, we have to say the some example I given. Myself, yourself, ourself, themself. This will come the reflexive pronoun. Then emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronoun, possessive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, then interrogative pronoun. Indefinite and interrogative. These are the possessive it will come. Indefinite and interrogative. So this is only model. I will continue next class. If you have any other doubt, this introduction you can ask me. Only I given the introduction about the pronoun. Then types of pronoun, only one I have taken today. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, that three types I told how to use the pronouns. If anybody have doubt, you can raise your hands, I will call your name. Raise your there is the hands option is there, you can raise your hands. Otherwise, I will finish the class now. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Somebody raising, Kamini Saraswat, unmute and ask the question.
Sister, I was telling that the sound was coming from someone's house. It was disturbing.
Pardon?
The sound was coming from someone's house. It was disturbing.
No, it is not. All unmute only. Only you are unmute. All
yes,
mute
sister.
only. So any other subject related question you ask? So we'll continue next class. Be ready. So you are writing the other exams. You prepare well, as well as English also go through it. Next class will be, I think, English literature class. Then next unit you go through it. First, second unit, first lesson. All of you complete your first unit question answer. What are the material I have given? You write it down in your copy. Okay, complete it. Correction I will ask on next when we finish in the second unit I will ask. That before that you complete, those who didn't complete it.
Your voice is not coming clear.
Pardon? What do you want? Anishka? Yeah. Unmute and tell that what is the doubt.
Pronoun?
Pardon?
And what is relative pronoun?
Relative pronoun I didn't take class. That you don't worry about it. Today I have taken introduction of the pronoun. Then personal pronoun if you have asked me. These two I finished. Okay, introduction and first. Relative reflexive I will tell later. This class only up to here only. Okay.